If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To add new accounts in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button and then click the Chart of Accounts link under the Your Company heading in the drop-down menu to open the Chart of Accounts window. To add a new account, click the New button in the upper right corner of the Chart of Accounts window to open a New Account pane at the right side of the window. Enter the account's name into the Account Name field. If account numbering is enabled, you can enter an account number into the Account Number field. To select the account type, select a choice from the Account Type dropdown. If needed, then select the specific account detail type from the Detail Type dropdown. To make the account a subaccount, check the Make this a subaccount checkbox and then select the account's parent account from the Parent Account dropdown that then appears. To enter opening balances and starting dates for most balance sheet accounts, meaning assets, liabilities, and equity, enter the opening balance into the Opening Balance field and select the date of the opening balance from the As Of field. Opening balances ensure you have correct account balances for financial reports. If desired to learn more about opening balances, click the More Info on Opening Balances link. Optionally, to enter an account description, type it into the Description field. A new account preview section at the bottom of the pane shows how the account will appear within its financial report. To finish creating the account, click the Save button in the lower right corner of the New Account pane. Alternatively, to save the account and then create another new account, click the drop-down to the right of this button and choose the Save and New command instead. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.